65, he was incredibly 8-1 on, despite conceding 32 pounds and more to his 7 rivals. He was in a class of his own, a handicapper powerless to stop him.
Coming up to the second last now, and it's Arkle well clear of Brasher. Then comes Wayward Queen and Freddie. This is the second last fence now. Arkle clear, jumps it impeccably as though this was the first fence he jumped during the race. Brasher jumps it second. Wayward Queen jumps it third, just ahead of Freddie. Coming up towards the final fence now in the 1965 Hennessy Gold Cup, and it's Arkle well clear. As he ears pricks, he jumps it and goes striding away, getting a tremendous reception from the crowd here. Brasher jumps it second. Wayward Queen jumps it third, just ahead of Freddie, and as they race up towards the line, it's Arkle striding away well clear of Brasher in second place. Then comes Freddie and Wayward Queen, and at the line, Arkle 12 stone 7 on his back.
It was Arkle's greatest hour. Now the Jockey Club created the extended handicap, so the weights could go up if Arkle was entered and didn't ride.